Every machine SweBend builds has its origin in a specific purpose. For Trane, the purpose this time was precision, bending aluminium profiles into small shroud rings, components in their industrial cooling and ventilation systems. This is the SB4-65S, part of SweBend's world-renowned SB4 series. 4 roll section bending machines known for power, reliability, and operator-friendly control. Built for 24/7 production, this machine combines robust Swedish engineering with CNC precision and premium components that ensure flawless results day after day. Every accessory is tailored to Trane's production flow. Custom feed rails for easy handling, special rolls for their unique profile, and a lift roll system with a wide range to support multiple diameters. With the SB4-65S, Trane gains not just a machine, but decades of partnership, a continuation of trust built on performance and lasting quality. And like every SweBend machine, it's proof that true craftsmanship is never one size fits all. SweBend, built around your bend.